there might be a lot of things that you're confused about when you're working with Audacity projects. So some of the problems may be unique and you might be seeking help. So if you want answers to them, then you can go around into forms.audacityteam.com, where you can go around and register for an account and ask the specific questions that you want to be addressed by the team right here. So here you can see that there's different help forms right here, and you can search for different problems that you might face. So I'm going to go around and let's say I'm going to I'm working with loudness right here. I'm going to press enter, and what happens is that the forms related with loudness is here, as you can see. So you can go around, there's the mastering macro right here. So people are asking a question about it. So you can see that this is what they've asked and this is the reply right here. Similarly, you can also go ahead and create out your own questions as well. There's tips right here, as you can see, which allows you to access out the Audacity wiki page right here so that you can learn more about the software tools and so forth. There's manuals, there's tutorials that you can access out. So this is how you can access the form and get the help from the online community of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.